Good morning, everyone. Today is December 28th, right at the end of the year. One more day left before we start a brand new year of trading. Tuesday next week, I expect the volatility to increase. The video that you're watching is sped up to save some time. Before we begin on all the good stuff, the Atlas line and the at the open, I do want to make sure everyone understands the risks involved with trading. It's risky. Please do not trade with funds you cannot afford to lose, whether it's futures, forex, options. Talk to your broker. Understand the risks. It's not for everyone. So the first trade that you're seeing here in the E-mini S&P happens to be the at the open, 26.8575 exactly. And there's now a follow-up, which is also short 26.85 quarter. So what we have here, after I've added the chart trader, so you can see where the entries are, the stops and the targets, what you have here happens to be two methods, the at the open with the software, the at the open 2 software, as well as the Atlas line software, both indicating short. Now, I believe that you shouldn't pick and choose the trades. You should really look at whatever happens first. So if you have an at the open short signal at one price, and then you have the Atlas line also telling you short, whichever signal is able to get you in as a seller short, you take first. And then we have to manage the trade. So managing the trade is very important. I look at specific targets, specific stops. We are on the last week of the year. So being the last week of the year, it's typically slower. You can see as the day progresses into the afternoon, it's very, very slow. So take a look at the ATR. I teach this in mentorship, and I teach this with all the courses, Trade Scalper, Atlas Line. Well, we have a live trading session. You have a video account where you get to upload all the trading videos for your training to understand how these methods work along with the courses. And the market, whether it's a winning trade or losing trade, has to be managed correctly. So please don't hold on to trades for hours on end. I want to be in, I want to be out, and I want to be done as fast as possible, especially under these conditions where the market gets slower and slower. Typically, 20 minutes is a trade maximum length that you are going to be able to hold. So I will not hold anything past 20 minutes. And this is what I teach as well. So the Atlas line with this short signal 26.85 quarter has a target of 26.8375. Now that's specific because it's based off the current conditions. If you haven't seen the hundreds of videos that we've put out over the years, please look at the videos titled ATR, Average True Range, download a simulator so you can start practicing and adding these things to your charts, and really understand that trading is not something that you just jump in and jump out. Have a plan. The plan is to make about 5 or 6 ticks, which is a point and a quarter, which is exactly what the ATR is describing. This works on any market, and I think is very important for most traders to look at. The next mentorship class begins on January 9th. If you'd like to join, please email me, download the information and the packet that we provide, making sure that this type of trading is right for you. Have a great new year, everyone. I'll see you on Tuesday. Bye-bye now.